Hi guys, I'm Dr. Malika Surve, gynecologist and PCOS mentor. मुझे आज भी याद है when I first got my periods. It was one of the most traumatic experiences I have had, as I was just 10 years old and had no idea what periods were. Me and my family were out on a trip, Konkan side, जहाँ पे we had gone for like a small get together and then we were supposed to come back to Bombay. But while returning back, it was 26/7, which were the flood that Bombay came across in 2005 when I turned 10. So during that time, the train got stuck. It got stuck in between. There was no way out. We were like almost stuck for like 2 days in the train. There was supply of food and water from nearby villages, but there was no going ahead because the track was not seen basically. So as soon the first night, then when we got stuck, my mom noticed that I was staining my clothes and she asked me that what happened. So I was like, I don't know because I had no idea. I thought I was dying or something because I was bleeding. So she took me to the washroom and she told me that you've got your period. I was like, what? ये क्या है? Then she later on explained to me everything and फिर प्यार से समझाया सब किया. फिर after that I understood that oh okay you every girl has to go through this. I was too young to understand and moreover all of my friends, most of my friends had not gotten their periods, so nobody was really speaking about it as such in school as well. तो हुआ ये कि हम stuck तो थे बट मेरी माँ ने कोई सैनिटरी पैड्स कैरी नहीं किया था क्योंकि शी वॉज नॉट गोइंग टू चम शी हैड डिसाइडेड द ट्रिप अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट so she was not chumming so she hadn't carried any and there weren't really a lot of female passengers who you could actually go and ask. So we got stuck there. I was bleeding, but then we were using kapda, folding kapda and then like placing it जैसे olden ज़माने में लोग use करते हैं the same way. So but that was also staining through because it was first time and probably the first time is a little heavier than most of the day. So that happened. Somehow or the other, 2 days के बाद some rescue team came and they took us and then even after that there was a 12-hour journey all the way till home and then I was still bleeding and I was still staining my clothes. So that became a very traumatic experience for me. And ever since that, for the next 1 year, whenever I got my periods, even if they were on time or they were not on time, just before that, I used to get so paranoid and a lot of PTSD used to come back because I was so scared of staining my clothes. If only somebody or if only it was that easy for us to understand that it's okay to just have your period or you stain your clothes or something like that. It's a normal thing. You're a healthy woman or you're turning into a healthy woman. But it was a little bit of an issue. But then as years passed by and most of my friends started getting their periods as well, it was okay. People were talking about it casually, and then I became fine about it. I mean, staining clothes, staining the bed sometimes, it became normal. And like, my parents never gave me shit about it anyway. So it's all done. But I'm sure this experience most girls might not have. But that was my first period experience. It was a really traumatic one. I remember it till date. I remember each and every scene about it, how I felt. But yeah, it's definitely a story to talk about. It's definitely something that um, a lot of people can relate to as well. The embarrassment when you stain your clothes in school, probably, or in your workplace or wherever, in at the house, and you don't have your mother around or your sister or anyone. So it is a little bit of an issue, but you get through it. If you have such traumatic or anything or any funny or similar story that you want to share, you should be able to share that openly. I'm a gynecologist. I just shared my first period story.